Howdy folks, it is 3:57 on Wednesday, June 5th. John and I worked today and we got these two doors in. The glass is dirty, but we don't have all of our hardware in, and there's a gap because what they call an astracal, which goes on the outside and it's like a T, so it'll come in and fill that area in. That astracal is also what this right door slams against, and there's a insulation seal on the outside. So we did this door first. That's what they call a stationary door. And we took some extra time this morning and built these jigs so that we could cut for the security bolt. And that took us a fair amount of time. And one thing we found out as we put the doors up is the stationary door on the left is a little bit tighter than the other one, and it's because this one's 91 7/8, that one's 91 3/4, so we'll probably have to take this one down and trim off 1/8 of an inch. Right now, John's going to put back the Rex wrap so that we keep the critters out tonight in the rain. But so it was a full day's work, and I'm glad it's done. But we have a set of doors in. I know tomorrow it'll go quicker from what we learned on these two sets of doors. I really envisioned more of a issue on getting these doors hinges onto the door jamb because the hinges don't come apart like they do on everything else that I've ever dealt with. So, but you know, John's got a lot of tricks and as well a lot of strength, and so that worked well. I mean, I couldn't do this myself in 100 years, so thank God for John. So, and today's his wedding anniversary, so that's it.